Hello, my name is Stephanie. I am your patio door expert from Window City. I hope you find this patio door video helpful. If you'd like to stay up to date on future videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon below. Enjoy.
You will find that vinyl doors are the best choice. They are easy to clean and never need painting. Cleaning your new door frames and glass only require a mild soap, water, and a soft cloth. To clean the glass on the swinging door both inside and out, we suggest that you use any commercial glass cleaner or mild dish soap and lukewarm water. When you are finished cleaning the glass, rinse with clear water or a damp cloth and wipe dry with a soft cloth. If you want to use a squeegee, please make sure there aren't any metal edges, as this could permanently damage or scratch the glass. Periodic cleaning of the vinyl helps keep it looking like new. Just wipe the vinyl surfaces with a damp cloth and a mild dish soap and water solution, wipe dry with a clean, dry towel, and you are done. It's important that you do not use harmful cleaning solutions and abrasive compounds, as this could scratch and discolor the surface. To maintain your door's efficient operation, it is important to periodically check and lubricate all moving parts with a dry lubricant such as dry silicone spray, 5%, and we recommend you do this once a year, including the locks and hinges. To clean the weep system, make sure the weep holes are clear of obstruction by using a small, soft brush to clear the opening. These holes are located both inside and outside the door in the bottom of the frame. You are now left with a clean, well-operating door that will give you years of use and pleasure.
If you are building your dream home or renovating your existing home, come to Window City, Canada's most trusted manufacturer of windows and doors.